Hi everyone! Today I'll be introducing Let's Make a Bento from the Poppin Cookin series. Look at this packaging! Inside we have rice balls, octopus-shaped sausages, Japanese-style fried chicken, a panda rice ball, Napolitan pasta, broccoli, and a Japanese omelette. This is a perfect example of a classic Japanese bento. And can you believe it? You can make all of this with just water and powder. That's crazy! The difficulty level is 4 stars. For reference, the fan Sushi shop kit had lots of steps and was 3 stars, while fan festival shop was 5 stars. So this one falls somewhere in between. The instructions on the back include illustrations, which makes it really easy to follow. Let's do our best and see how it turns out. Make sure to watch until the end. Let's open it up. Look at this! The bento box illustration is adorable. This is where we will be plating everything, and the back of the packaging shows how to shape the rice balls. Let's check what's inside. I'm excited! We have powders for making the food, a piping bag, and a fork. The container is pretty big. I'm already excited. Now, let's cut out the cups and get started. First, let's make the broccoli. We will mix 1 cup of water with the broccoli mix. Wow! Look at this beautiful green color! It actually smells like grape. Since the mold is deep, we need to stir well to mix everything properly. It's getting nice and glossy. Looks delicious already! Next, let's make the Japanese omelette. We will mix 1 cup of water with the omelette mix. Inside the packet, the powder looks like this. Oh, we are making it flat. The mold even has ridges to create a realistic texture. Such a beautiful yellow color, and it smells like lemon. Let's spread it out evenly. Look at the shine. It already looks so good. Now, let's make the octopus-shaped sausage. This is a super popular item in Japanese bento boxes. In Japan, we cut sausages into octopus shapes, but have you seen this in your country? We will mix 1 cup of water with the octopus sausage mix. Wow, such a vibrant red color! And it smells like strawberries. We need to carefully spread the mixture all the way to the edge to make sure the tentacles form properly. Everything is so colorful and fun. Don't you think a bento looks even more exciting when it's colorful? Now, we just need to wait 3 minutes for everything to set. While we wait, let's make the rice balls. We will mix 2 cups of water with the rice mix in the biggest tray. I wonder what it will be like. Wow! There's a lot of powder in here. Let's mix it up. Oh, it smells like soda. It still looks a bit powdery. The more we mix, the chewier it gets. Will it be okay? It's becoming sticky and stretchy like real rice. Wow! Amazing! Look at this texture. It really looks like real rice. Now, let's shape the rice balls. First, we will divide the mixture in half to make the panda rice ball. We need 1 face and 2 ears. The other half will be for triangular rice ball. It's so much fun! Now, let's add the sesame salt to decorate the rice balls. We will pour the sesame salt mix into a small section of the tray. Any extra can go into the middle tray so we don't waste it. That's such a useful design. Alright, time to press the rice ball into the sesame salt. This is nerve-wracking. I don't want to mess it up. Ooh, it's a bit crooked. Oh no, it's sticking to my fingers. I made a small mistake, but I won't give up. Let's press it again carefully. Okay, I think this is good enough. Next, we will decorate the panda's face. I have to be really careful with this part. Here we go. Wow, amazing! What do you think? It turns out so cute! Having this in a bento box would definitely make me happy. Now, let's roll the ears in black sesame salt to color them. We just roll them around in the middle tray. Wow, they turned completely black right away. Like this? Okay, this looks good. Not bad for my first try, right? I've been so curious about this one. How do you even make Japanese-style fried chicken with powder and water? Let's mix 1 cup of water with the Japanese-style fried chicken mix. Oh, it's really brown, and it smells like oranges. It's so much fun! Kurashie's DIY candy kits always look so realistic. It's impressive. Wow, look at this texture! It's a bit crumbly, but it actually looks like real Japanese-style fried chicken. Once it's mixed, let's shape it with our fingers. Look at this! It seriously looks just like Japanese-style fried chicken. The random, uneven shape makes it even more realistic. I made 2 pieces and they look so good together. I'm getting excited. Wow, like this? In Japan, it's common to put a little Napolitan pasty in bento boxes. The bright orange color makes the fall bento look happier. Let's mix it up. It's turning into a smooth paste and it smells like grape. We will transfer it into the piping bag. It's so much fun! Twist the top. And cut the tip. Time to pipe the pasta. Oh no, it's a bit thicker than I expected. But I'll do my best. Not bad, right? Let's finish up rolling up the Japanese omelette. So cute! I'm molding the broccoli. Like this? It's so realistic. The octopus sausage looks adorable. And finally, plating the panda rice bowl. Wow! Amazing! Everything is done! What do you think? This bento is so cute! It makes me want to go on a picnic. let's try the Japanese style fried chicken first. いただきます。It's so chewy and bouncy, and it tastes like orange. Next, the octopus sausage. It's so jiggly and cute, and it tastes like sweet strawberry. Finally, the rice bowl. It's chewy and the flavor is my favorite. Soda. This bento kit is so Japanese, so it's a great choice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!